Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify opening soon. Now this is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm going to be showing you how you can remove this opening soon page and how you can launch your own Shopify store. Now before we start, I would highly appreciate you hitting that like button. Now let's get started right now. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, your Shopify dashboard. And next thing you want to make sure that you have picked like a plan on Shopify, because like they will not allow you to remove this page if you don't pick a plan, just in case you don't know this. So you want to click on settings at the very bottom left and click on plan and make sure you pick a plan here. Now if you have done this already, then what you guys need to do, you want to click on online store here in the like left, and you want to click on preferences. Okay, and you want to scroll down at the very bottom and you want to remove this password and you want to uncheck this box, okay, that says restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it and click on save in the top right. Now check if this problem is still there. Now if the problem is still there, then probably there is a problem with your domain name, or you will have to click on settings at the very bottom left and click on apps and sales channels and search here for Pagefly. Probably you have downloaded an app that lets you create this coming soon page, so make sure you delete that app here from your apps and sales channel section here. Just find that app and remove it. Okay, Pagefly, like I said, helps you create a coming soon page. Now if this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and ask me any question, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.